Swing and a miss. Kiermaier down on strikes, and that is the record breaker for a Yankee reliever. Strikeout number 131. And the Yankees know it, so Brian McCann asked for the baseball. They will toss it into the dugout, and that's a pretty nice group to be a part of. He just passed Mariano Rivera, who said it in 1996 when Mo was pitching 2 innings at a time, setting up for Wetland, and Gossage in 78 when he was a different sort of closer. He pitched 3 2/3 innings to close games sometimes.
Great names to be next to you. What a year Betances has had.